Hello everyone and welcome once more to the Deiser Connection. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. We just came back from Budapest and it was a blast. Meta-IMSA Atlassian Day was a blast. I hope that you watched the video from last week because it was really cool. You know, it was our first video on the road and we're really happy about it. We just want to say hi to everyone that attended, you know, all of our partners and Meta-Inf, of course, for throwing this amazing event, for organizing this amazing event. It was really well organized and we're really happy that we attended it. Talking about events, there's a new Atlassian event. I don't know if you know, but Atlassian is doing a tour, is doing a team tour with the high velocity ITSM. The event for service management is coming to 3 different cities. Let's go check it out. Here is the main web page about this event. I think we talked about it like really fast in one of our latest videos, but let's check it out. As we said, it is a tour. You know, the Atlassian is doing a tour and bringing the high velocity ITSM to 3 different cities in Europe. The first one will be Barcelona. I think that when this video comes out, this event will have been done already, and we're really eager. You know, Deiser will be attending, and there's gonna be a talk about ITSM. You know, but let's look into it a little bit later. Also, there's another stop in Amsterdam, really beautiful city in the Netherlands. This is gonna be June 16th. This is gonna be on Thursday this week. This is gonna be really cool. And the third stop is gonna be Munich in Germany on June 19th. It's gonna be really cool. You know, it will have this stop. This is the last stop of the tour. Presenting the ITSM, and I hope that people will attend, you know, and they'll learn a lot more about ITSM. Now, talking about Barcelona, Spain, if we go to learn more, we'll see that on Tuesday from 10:45 to 11:30 we'll have a Deiser talk. Rafael Delia and Nuria Garcia are going to be talking, are going to showing you this really cool talk that is called Beyond IT, Empower Excellent Service for All Teams. I've seen something about it, and I'm pretty glad that you're going to be checking this out. I'm actually a little bit jealous, you know, because I won't be there, you know, in order to enjoy it and to learn a lot more of how to empower excellent service for all teams. I know that these guys are good, so please enjoy and go check it out. Hope it's really good for you. Well, there's also other talks, and I hope that you go check them out, because there's talks from Atlassian and other solution partners like here, like Nomad Mood and Techno4. And I hope that you go and check it out. This tour is gonna jump into different cities, and it will bring different local solution partners. So if you're there, if you're in that city, go check it out, because it's gonna be really good for you. I believe that the Amsterdam venue, that the Amsterdam event is already sold out, but you can try. There you go. Amsterdam is officially sold out. See, this is important. This is really cool. It's been sold out. So maybe if you join the waiting list, maybe you have a place to be there. But I believe that when this video is released, this event has already been done. So maybe prepare for June 19th. And if you're in Munich or near Munich, do not hesitate and go and check that out, because it's gonna be really cool. There seems that there's gonna be really good talks. So go ahead and check that out. is gonna be really, really good. So that's it for the news for this week. Let's go back. Okay, so for today's use case, we're going to talk about a little bit of approvals for ITSM. As we all know, approvals for ITSM are essential for keeping things in check. They involve getting green light from the right people before making changes or taking actions in an organization's IT setup. Approvals also ensure decisions are well informed, aligned with business goals, and follow established rules. So, when you need to report on those approvals, maybe you need to report on the work that has been done in an ITSM project, you might need to export that list of requests. So we're going to show you with Exporter. I don't know if you know Exporter. We have talked about Exporter, but Exporter is one of our apps that is available in the marketplace, and it will allow you to export a list of issues from Jira with ease on different formats and with some extra information that you might need. In this case, we are going to show you how to export service requests tickets, service requests with their transitions and their approvals and approvers, of course. Let's go and check it out. So right here we can see a list of tickets, a list of service requests that have been made. We've added the approvers column, and also we have added the status, and different information that we need to report with this export that we are gonna do right now. If we continue with Exporter, we just hit the button. We're gonna choose the format that is Excel, and then we are going to we can choose comments and transitions. Right now we're gonna choose transitions, and we're gonna also select the transitions and its approvals check. So we are sure that we are downloading and that we are exporting those approvals in those service requests. So if we move on, we will see all the steps that we have just done, and if we hit export now, Exporter will do its work, and it says that now it's ready, and we have 10 minutes to download that export. But I have it already prepared. Here is the same export, and it's already prepared. So we can see that we have all the columns, the issue type, the summary, the report, the assignee, and if we move on, we will see that we have the status, we have the approvers, who is going to approve this request. We have two, Fede2 and Federico Baronti, that's me, and we have David Gonzalez and Fede2 in another request. We have Fede2, etc., etc. And if we move on, we can see the status on those approvals. So if we move on, we will see the approval outcome, if the request is approved, if it's denied, if we're still waiting for an approval, if it's declined again, and if we don't see any of these columns completed, that means that request does not need an approval. So we can see that the last decision, the approved decision, is being made by Fede2, and it's approved. As we've seen before, the approvers were Fede2 and Fede Barotu Beltramo. That's me. And we have seen that the approver here, which was Fede2, approved this request. The same goes with the rest. If one of the approvers didn't make a decision, the cell will be empty. So that's pretty much it. And I hope that this helped. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us, and do not hesitate to ask us what more can you do with these use cases, or maybe you want to know more about any other use case with any other app or an Atlassian tool. Remember that we're experts in marketplace, in the Atlassian marketplace, so do not hesitate to let us know. Hope that this was useful again, and thank you very much for being there, and hope to see you next week. So please have fun, and bye bye. Thanks.